Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right wait, what? Okay, so on this specific device you don't have any SIM card slot, just as you have on modern devices. You have to remove back cover from it and then eject its battery, I guess. So here on this lower right corner you have a hatch where you can hatch it with your fingernail. Fortunately I have some, and that's how you can remove back cover. You have to apply some force. That's how back cover is removed. Okay, so as you can see, you don't really need to eject battery. You have slots here, so here you have to put your SIM card, I guess. Just like this. Whoop. And here you have to put your SD card, just like this. Whoop. And it's done. I won't put back cover because I have to apply too much force in order to remove it, so let's just show you that. Okay, so how can I demonstrate you that there's SIM card? Let's go to settings, then go to the network and internet, SIM cards. SIM card slot is empty. Okay, so in order for your device to detect SIM card, you have to firstly restart it. So let's hold down power key, then select restart. Okay. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code in order to unlock my device because it detects SIM card. So let's enter it. And there's also a notification that corrupted SD card is corrupt, tap to fix it, which means that SD card is also detected by this device. And yeah, that's how you can insert both these cards. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.